Look at this sunset. I am at the Westin in Los Cabos, and this is the vacation villas. And I just rented a room for 2 days while I was on the cruise ship, just to get off the cruise ship and get out and about in the area. So this is the room tour of room 222. The cruise ship is docked for 3 days, so we're gonna stay here for 2 days and then get back on the ship. It's about 40 minutes from the cruise port, and I plan to do some kind of excursion or something while we're here. So this is the room. It is an ocean view room, and it has a double bed. It has an adjoining door, which I just locked. When you walk in, you got this little foyer area, and then off to the right, you have a really nice bathroom set up, which has a nice soaking tub. And those doors do open from the other side, so if you wanted to have the doors open and look out the window while you're in the tub, it's possible. You got a double vanity, and it did come with 2 waters and a lot of towels and drawers. So you got the toilet room, and you have a walk-in shower as well, which is very nice. And it comes with soap and everything. And then you have a full-size mirror. So then right off the bathroom, you have a little kitchenette area. And we did bring food because the restaurants on here are very high. So I just brought some food from the cruise ship. I got a couple burgers and some chicken and stuff. And all my diamond drinks, I did bring those. So you get the refrigerator, you got a little sink, and a microwave and a toaster. So you can bring like eggs that's already cooked, and bacon and stuff. If you had Ziploc bags, you can bring it. So I did bring some Ziploc bags to bring a little food. But look at this setup. It is 2 queen beds set up. It has a vanity here, and it does have a closet too as well. Right next to the vanity, you got a safe. I do sell those bags if you guys want one. And then this room for your luggage. They got a lot of space. So this vanity has drawers built in. It has a TV, which I assume might have internet. Oh yeah, it's free internet here. And hopefully it has internet TV where you can get on like Netflix and stuff like that and watch movies. And the best thing about this is the ocean view. It has a balcony. There's no chairs, but you can definitely walk outside to the balcony and get a fresh breeze. Look at this view. Today they said no swimming in the ocean because it's kind of rocky and the waves are kind of hard. So they do have a really nice pool, and next door has beach access. So I'll check and see if they swimming over there. If not, I'll just be in the pool. But look at these little villas. I did get a really good rate on this. I got this whole room for 2 days for $239. I don't know how I booked this a year ago and got this rate, but I'm so excited because when I look now, it's like $400 a night. And this is the whole entire room tour. Thanks so much for watching, and have a good day. Look forward to more Tiaa Travel Tales. Thank you.